Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to replace a broken keyboard key. So the customer actually taped this down because all the clips on the back are broken. So here you can see the clips here. Okay, on one side it's broken, the other side is somewhat okay. Let me first show you how to remove a key here. I have another keyboard that I'm going to show you this on. So I have videos showing this, but basically I would get my fingernail in here. Let me see if I can show you. So I'll get my fingernail in the top corner here. I do have a video showing how to remove every single key, but for this specific key, get underneath, okay? You can use a thin pry tool, but if I get my fingernail underneath in the top corner here, okay, then get another one in there, okay, and work your way under, and you can hear it click, okay? We're going to work our way down the side over to the other top corner. Okay, if it doesn't pop, just kind of wiggle, and there you go, it clicked. Then you kind of just wiggle the rest of it off. So you have the top out, you kind of just wiggle this, okay, and the bottom will come out. All right, it's a little bit tricky, but there we go. And here you can see what the key looks like. It's supposed to look like. You got both those hooks intact like that, and then you have this down here, and this kind of just attaches to these two little nubs here. So you can see on each key you got the two nubs down there and the two nubs up here. That's how you know it's working okay. Anyways, we're gonna pop this back in. You can see that key's fine. I'm gonna set this aside and let me show you on this customer's laptop now. So I pulled one of the command keys out from another keyboard so I can replace it. This is okay. Again, you can see it looks just fine. This is perfect. Okay. All right, and what's going on here is not only did they have these claws or whatever you want to call them broken off here, okay, so not only is one claw broken off there, all right, but also you can see the two pegs down here, they're missing. So Apple did this design that made it very difficult, but I'm going to use a safety pin. You can use a needle, whatever works for you. Okay, hopefully this will stay in view of camera because right now I can't see what I'm recording, but you're gonna go in the middle here, okay? Make sure you're prying up this clear plastic thing, not on these outside parts. Technically, since this one's already broken, I could pry on the white plastic parts, but the way you're supposed to do it, or the best way to do this, is you get underneath the clear part here, okay? And then we're gonna pry this up. So you gotta poke underneath, okay, and then while you're kind of poking, kind of push it and kind of pull it upwards. Okay, it's hard to do it while it's flat. Normally I would put this on my lap, the edge of the laptop in my lap, but let's see if we can do it this way. Okay, so we're going to get underneath the clear part and kind of pry this up. You can see it's kind of pulling up like that, and there you go, it pops. Okay, so basically on these four corners here, so here, okay, you see that little circle? That's being held into there, and then there's another one there, and there's two hidden underneath these, which are kind of like an adhesive. Okay, anyways, now that we got that up, we're gonna carefully lift this. We gotta lift another corner out. You could technically just pop the whole thing out on both sides. So we'll pop this out just like that. There we go. So we got all four edges out. Let me see if I can show you this. So here you go. This is what it looks like. There's the metal thing underneath that presses to trigger the button press. And you can see there, this is the plastic that kind of held it. They use melted plastic to hold it in place, but you can see as you pull it out, it kind of rips those out. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, this holds down this piece. So now we got this out. We're gonna toss this because this one's bad. Make sure to remember which way it goes, because there is an upside down way if you look at this. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, there's like a curve to this plastic. Okay, you can see it like slopes down that way. This is actually the top of it, and then also you see that notch, this is also the top. Okay, you don't want to put it upside down like this. You don't want this side sticking up where it has this injection mold thing here, and you don't want this flipped this way or this way. Okay, so you want to make sure you have it facing the right way, this way. If you're pulling out other keys, pay very close attention to how it's sitting. Okay, here's the replacement one. You can see it has the little nubs there. all four sides, and you can see the little slope there. Okay, so this is what we're gonna put back. And then we got this piece, we're gonna put this back as well. Okay, if you want, you can add glue to hold it down better. Because of the way like it's pried out, this plastic film here kind of comes loose and makes a little bit of noise, but don't worry about that, the button will work just fine. Okay, so now we just gotta line this back up. Make sure you get this the right way with the black parts facing up. Get that lined up. Make sure the little pegs or legs that are in the center line up as well. Okay, and then we just push that down into place. Okay, and it should hold itself down. If it doesn't, again, you can pry it back up and you can add some glue or something, but it should hold itself back into place. Okay, then we just get this piece, the button again. We're gonna put the bottom half in first, just like this, and then click this into place. And there we go, we got this key, and you can see it stays in. Again, it does sound a little bit more like clicky because that plastic film from prying up that piece, but it should work perfectly fine. You can hear this one versus this one. Okay, and that's just because of that plastic film. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. Of course, you want to test the key. I do it by restarting the computer and doing Command Option P and R to do a PRAM reset. If the screen stays off and like power cycles itself, then I know the key is still working just fine. All right, you can also do like Command R, Command Option R to see if it does the reboot recovery, but it looks like it's good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, hopefully this video helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. All right, yeah, I'm gonna leave this recording a little bit longer because 8 minutes somehow gives me more ads that I can make money off of. I know you don't need to watch it, you can just skip. But yeah, again, I have videos that show how to remove all these keys. I have a video that shows how to remove like the function keys, the shift key, caps lock, all the little arrow keys, and on other models where you can remove the power button, the function keys, everything like that. So if you need something like that, feel free to let me know. I'll actually post it in the comments section below, pin it, and yeah, if you can't find it, let me know. Thanks for watching again, and yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye.